My name is Alex Clark, and I've been working in heating and air for quite a few years. It's been a family business. So I was born and raised in Greenville. Pretty much been here all my life, but got to travel around, see the world. Because I mean, you've got Atlanta, it's too big, too crowded. Then you got some smaller cities, but Greenville seems to be just the perfect amount of people. Still growing a little bit. So we do heating and air of both residential and commercial. We come out, fix it, clean it, replace it, whatever you need. If there's something within that area, we kind of do other related work. But really anything related to heating and air and duct work, a little bit electrical, that's all our nature.
I've been fortunate to have a lot of great people help run general air conditioning over the years. And now my son has graduated college from Clemson and has come to join us at the company. I also double as a family law attorney, so I'm in the same building with him. So it's really nice working with him and seeing another generation, a third generation, come along and keep the company running strong. So it's very exciting to have new blood come in and with fresh ideas and ways to make the business grow.
Well, I started doing this ever since middle school in the summers, riding with all the technicians, and pretty much growing up I didn't have babysitters. I worked with our service technicians and just kind of learned the trade and got into it and liked it, and my grandfather started it, my dad's running it, figured it'd be a nice thing to keep it rolling.